Hey guys, it's Jamir from the Mad 10 Creators, and welcome back to our tutorial series. We teach you everything you need to know about getting started as a content creator. In today's episode, I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know about growing your brand as a YouTuber. For more videos like this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any future uploads. And with that being said, let's get into it. So before we begin, I do just want to give a small disclaimer. I'm still a very small content creator as it is, and so I'm still kind of learning a lot of things myself. So please don't take my advice as like the proper or the right way to grow your brand or make YouTube videos. I'm simply just giving advice based on my own experience. So just to give you guys a little bit of context about who I am, my name is Jamir. I'm a content creator from Milwaukee and Madison. I have a gaming channel called Jamir Gaming, and I play some games such as Valorant, Pokemon, and Minecraft. So like I mentioned earlier, this video covers branding and organizing your YouTube channel. So that mainly focuses on who are you and what type of content do you make. So the first thing we're going to cover is your name. Your name is what your viewers will constantly refer to you as. When choosing your name, a lot of creators choose to use their actual name like Michael Reeves, parts of their name like Markiplier, or an actual alias like I Am Wildcat. Regardless, your name should be unique to you and hold some type of meaning. So when I was trying to choose my name, I realized I did make a bit of a mistake. I didn't realize that there were a number of channels that were already called Jamir Gaming. So my advice to you all is to make sure that no one already has your channel name before you actually make your channel. So now that we covered your name, we need to consider some other important branding factors as well. This includes your logo, your platform, and your channel art. I think it's good to have a logo because it's almost like a second form of identification, something else for your viewers to recognize you by. A lot of creators choose to use their face, maybe some words, or even icons. For me personally, I would say my second form of identification would be my colorful cracked art logo that you see all over my channel. I use it all the time in thumbnails and during live streams, and so that's kind of just become my symbol. In terms of your platform, you should choose a platform that you probably understand the best, but is also best for your goals. If you're more interested in making videos, then obviously YouTube is the platform you should be on. If you're more interested in live streaming, Twitch is probably better for you, but YouTube's also pretty good when it comes to live streaming as well. So those are two things you should definitely take into consideration when choosing what platform you wish to be on. And in terms of channel art, your channel art makes your channel a whole lot more interesting and even kind of sets the mood as to what type of videos and content that you make. So all of these combined help you grow your brand and help people to understand what your brand is. So next we're going to be looking at the type of content you want to make. Now, when choosing what type of content you want to make, you want to take three things into consideration. What type of content are you looking to make? Now, in this day and age, you can make content out of pretty much anything. From gaming, to music, to art, to cooking, to sports, anything that you can think of, it can become content. But more specifically, you have to think about what niche you fall under. If you're looking to make gaming content and you are just a really funny person, you're not really too focused on actually winning the game, you're just looking to have a good time, make people laugh, you're probably more interested in making funny moments. Some funny moments content creators include people like McNasty, Swagger Souls, and Tommy Innit. However, if you are interested in playing really well and you're just looking to impress people, then you might want to start uploading some highlights, just like people like Tarek, Nick Merckx, Shroud, Tens. The same thing goes if you're looking to make cooking or food videos. If you're more interested in making recipes and displaying your recipes and trying to teach people how to cook food, you're looking to make content similar to Binging with Babish. However, if you're more interested in just eating food, then you might be looking to make videos like Nikocado Avocado. But then you also have to consider how you plan on making content. Now, a lot of people just decide to make original content similar to how I'm doing. I'm just on OBS and recording just how it is, and then I'm going to edit this later. But other people also decide to turn their live streams into videos too. So pretty much whatever's the most comfortable for you. If you prefer doing things live, then do it live. If you're more comfortable with just being behind a computer screen and not having people stare at you, that also works too. So to get a more in-depth look of what type of content you want to make, let's take a look at my channel. So, a majority of my videos consist of funny moments with my friends. There's a lot of variety, but the main type of games that I play on my channel include Valorant, Pokemon, and every now and then a little bit of Among Us. When it comes to streaming though, like I said, there's still mainly a lot of funny moments and variety, but a lot of them fall under the categories of Pokemon challenges, competitive Valorant, and some chill Minecraft streams. So I want to end this video by giving you guys a little bit of content advice. Now, this content advice is mainly for those who wish to make gaming content, because that's the type of content that I make. So for starters, unless you know what game or games you want to be known for playing, try a hand at different things, but ultimately you should try to find one or two games that you're known for playing, and those will be your staples. So I love making variety content. Like right now I'm really enjoying playing Hogwarts Legacy, but I know my community mainly likes to see me play Valorant and Pokemon. It's something that I can always return to, and it's something that I know that my community will enjoy. And that's something that you probably want to find as well. My next piece of advice to you is to promote yourself. You should try to promote yourself whenever you can in order to establish a community. Because building a community is really important in the long run, because your community are the people that are watching your videos. The bigger your community, the more views you're going to get with your videos. My only advice is to just not be annoying or beg people to watch your videos, because that's how you lose fans and maybe friends too. So just be very considerate when you're promoting, but still promote whenever you can. My next piece of advice is to collaborate and network whenever possible. Collaborating and networking is a good way to not just meet some amazing like-minded content creators, but it's also a good way to establish your community or even build upon it. Your fans become their fans and their fans become your fans. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Next, try to be as consistent as possible. Now, all the members at the Madtone Creators are all college students, so obviously we can't be as consistent with our content as we'd like to be, but we still try to whenever we can. And you should probably do the same thing. That's probably the best way to let your fans know that you are very serious about being a content creator and encourage them to continue watching your stuff. My final piece of advice to you guys is to try not to focus too hard on having your videos being entertaining. Obviously that's the goal, but if you're focusing too hard on having your videos being entertaining to the point where things feel forced and you're not even enjoying what you're doing, how can you expect your audience to enjoy it? Just have things come naturally and ultimately have fun with your content. Sure, content creation can be hard, but it's also entertaining as well. Well, have fun with it, and if you're having fun, then your audience will have fun as well. So that's going to do it for this tutorial session, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.